without a thermal scan, this is something that we really would have never picked up.
With Pelican Roofing, they brought us out to do a thermal inspection of the roof using our drone technology, and we were able to find a couple of thermal anomalies that we're now having the chance to confirm and validate through taking core samples of the roof. We're able to drill in and see how far the intrusion is penetrated, if there is water present, and how many layers are affected, so we can have a greater understanding of the scope of the damages across the roof itself.
Most likelihood should have pulled out a lot more of the insulating substrate. Due to it being so compromised and wet, it actually kind of turned into mush. This moisture is trapped on top of a steel deck. If this moisture just stays here and doesn't have a chance to get cut out, removed, or dried out, that'll just really cause issues. Very shocked to find how much moisture is actually in here.
So let me ask you this, before we did a thermal, what was your process for identifying this needle in the haystack situation?
It's with a roof this size, and even at this area, I mean, this roof has a structural slope, and the evidence of what goes on here looks normal on a roof this age. Your water is going to run this way, it's going to hit your taper crickets, and it's going to run to these drains. But for just the size of this roof and just looking at it, I mean, the only thing we could have really done is try to hit an area where it appears to be ponding. This is something, without a thermal scan, this is something that we really would have never picked up on the front side. In any event, especially on a project with an investment of a dollar amount of the magnitude of this project, could turn into, this is like a surprise that you don't want to have when you start opening up a roof, when you find, especially when they were looking at a recover type of aspect, you don't want to just roof over something like this. This is something that really needs to be addressed and removed off the roof and put some good dry substrate down and put a new roof skin on top of it.